guys, I'm back with another video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my DIY detangler. I'm going to be using conditioner, oil, and warm water. And warm water is actually the key to this whole thing, because if you have low porosity hair like myself, it helps to penetrate your hair and really moisturize your hair and get whatever products that's mixed with the water really into your hair. But we're just going to start by using some of the conditioner. I don't use a certain amount. I just cover the bottom of the spray bottle with it. You can use as much as you want, however long your hair is, however short your hair is. Use it to your preference. Next, I'm going to be using jojoba oil. I'm using this oil because it helps to condition your hair and scalp. I usually add this to a lot of my conditioners because it really helps work the conditioner into my hair. But I'm going to be using it for this detangler so that it can really work that into my hair and help detangle my hair. So after we add the jojoba oil, we're going to add the warm water. And make sure your water is not too hot. Make sure it is actually warm, because like I said, it helps to penetrate the hair if you have low porosity hair. If you don't have low porosity hair, I don't think it really matters. But this is more aimed towards girls with low porosity hair. So once you have that all shaken up together and your hair is parted in sections, however you detangle your hair, I detangle mine in sections because it's easier because my hair is so thick. And you're just going to spray that mixture all the way from the roots to the ends of your hair, making sure you fully saturate your hair. And detangle your hair as you're spraying it on your hair. Don't detangle it with your Denman brush just yet, because you don't want any tangles, or it works better if your hair is already kind of pre-detangled before you use the Denman brush to detangle it. And once I get my hair fully saturated from roots to ends, I take a little extra and spray it on the ends of my hair, and just kind of like, as you can see, I was kind of like pumping it. So that way it can really work into my hair, because my hair is extremely dry. Like, I have extremely low porosity hair, so I have to make sure whatever I'm using to moisturize my hair really works into my hair, especially the ends of my hair, because I focus on lymph retention and I love to keep my ends healthy. And as you're detangling, you start off at the ends of your hair and gently just start detangling. And as the tangles just start to melt out, work your way all the way up to the roots, and the Denman brush should really just glide from roots to ends as you work those tangles out of your hair. And once you finish with the section you're working on, you're just gonna twist that section up and move on to the next section, and just do this throughout your entire head. guys, so once you get to your last section, you're just going to twist that up, and I clip all my hair back. And you can actually just jump in the shower right after that, because washing your hair is very simpler after it's detangled. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any video ideas, make sure you leave them in my comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.